we will go ahead and record this. I was actually expecting a lot worse on my FPS in this match. I'm holding 20 with it recording. Alright, I'll get up ahead of you and see if I can spot anything.
Engine boost activated.
Save your boost for if you have to run.
I already used it.
Fine, save your smoke for if you have to run.
I usually save my smoke.
You don't have the upgraded hull on that yet?
Not yet.
Okay. Start heading a little more west. Start swinging west. You're seriously gonna want to start heading west. You want me ahead of you.
Enemy force detected.
Richard, swing west. Seriously.
What?
Swing west.
I am swinging west.
I've only said it like 4 times. I mean, like, due west. You want me to be ahead of you on this one. One's turning around. Go right up the divider for the 1 to 2 line. See if we can wrap around them.
Engine boost deactivated.
Damn, I should have brought my Mitsuki. I could have already fired at that New York. Damn near, anyway.
Aren't you in the Mizuki?
No. But that, Königsberg is AFK. Incoming DD. It's a Mahan. He's got close range torpedoes.
He's getting his ass tore up right now.
Good.
By the Mizaki from behind us.
Mm-hmm. Only problem is he can probably outrun me. We're gonna end up being uncovered soon.
From who?
That Mahan. Now he's turning back.
Because he keeps getting lit up.
Mm-hmm. He's trying to
It's
stay
'cause
inside of smoke, so that's gonna help.
We're keeping them all lit up for those guys in the back to light them up.
Yep. Okay, looks like we got one Königsberg moving, but the other one still is not, and they're lighting him up. Alright, let's turn towards the 2-3 line. See if we can get that war spike. Swing in kind of close, see if you can get some torps off at that Königsberg before he dies.
Which one?
The AFK one here.
I'm not even sure which one that is.
Cougar 6.
Oh.
Never mind, he's dead.
Yeah, that was
Somebody
quick.
critted the hell out of him. I really want to shoot at this Königsberg, but I really don't want to give us away. They still have one Minkazi unaccounted for.
He's all the way in E7.
There's one unaccounted for.
Oh.
Has not been spotted yet. Good. Kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him. Get him, get him, get him. Thank you. Oh, they missed. So I'm going to be lit up here in a second. If he lights me, I'm shooting.
He's 5.7.
Okay, I'm pulling away from him now.
Why don't we just nail him right now?
I was trying to let them finish him. I didn't want to give us away.
Well, he's heading right for an island.
Well, I'm out of gun range now.
And I'm gonna miss him, really? Oh, maybe not.
I'm almost in gun range, so get him.
Really? 2 hits and nothing?
I think I fired behind him. Yeah, right on his ass end. There you go. Alright, looks like that Königsberg might be AFK as well. Negato. I'm detected by someone.
The Force will be with you, always.
Negato, probably?
Negative, I'm outside his range.
Then I don't... What's your range?
6-0. It's my detection range.
No, I'm talking about torpedo.
7. You can fire early because he's coming into you.
Oh, you got him.
Yeah, well, he might flood before I get him.
Nah, I think you got him.
Barely. 1,000 flipping damage on a torpedo.
Well, he was damaged pretty good.
Well, they know where we're at now. Here comes that Mahan. Watch out. Try to kill that Königsberg, though. Get you some points. I'm gonna go in on this Mahan and get him at close range. Light him up with torpedoes once you're in range, which you should have now. Alright, come turn, keep going that way.
Hello. Omaha.
Smoke generator started.
Maybe my torps will get him. Finally.
Remember, the Force will be with you, always.
Damn, he's still hitting me.
This Omaha is being a
Smoke screen
pitch.
set.
Is he shooting at you? Oh, he must be shooting at you. He overshot me.
Yeah, no, he's shooting at you now.
Yeah, but he's not gonna get me. Torpedoes.
Engine boost activated.
Damn it! They're all at our base.
Well, fuck it. Get as much damage in as you can.
I'm not even close to him yet.
That Omaha's backing up. Seriously, took splash damage.
Both destroyers are coming up the center.
They gotta tangle with that battleship first.
It's a trap! Critical engine damage! Problem solved, sir!
One torp got him.
Beat the hell out of him because he's beating the hell out of me. Fudge! I almost got my torpedoes off. Your torpedoes ran out of range?
Yeah, because he was backing up the entire time.
Mm-hmm. They're keeping them from cap, so stay in the cap, stay in the cap, stay in the cap.
Oh, please tell me. Oh, yeah.
Nice. Stay in the cap. Hope you got a smoke left, just in case.
Oh, yeah. Somehow I got into reverse. Yeah, I was using smoke, alright. Wow, I got 3 sunks. Sweet.
Nice, I got one. I got a little antsy at that Omaha and just started lighting them up. I can't believe I only got 8 hits, though. I could have swore I did a whole lot more than that. Oh yeah, we got this. And my video's finally glitched a little.
You were recording that, right?
Yeah, huh?
Oh, yeah.
All of 19 damage. Or 19,000, I should say. Wow, I would have expected you to get more points than that. Holy crap.
Yeah, especially with 12 hits, 2 torpedo hits, 3 destroys, 2 flooding, and a base capture.
Yeah.